Hello coders. In this new video we are going to learn new topic which is SQL insert into statement. So let's see. The SQL insert into statement is used to insert new records in a table. It is possible to write insert into statement in two ways. There are two syntax. Insert data into the table. First syntax is insert into table name, column 1, column 2, column 3. Values value 1, value 2, value 3. And second syntax is insert into table values value 1, value 2, value 3. So see, in first syntax we have given column name and then added values. In second syntax we haven't given column name, we just given table name and then added values. This is example. Insert into example. Insert data into in specific columns. So see, uh, if we want to insert data into specific column, then we will go with first syntax because here we give that specific column name. But if we want to insert into all the columns, then go with second syntax. Insert multiple rows. So this is how we can insert multiple rows. So let's see this with the example. Um, let's create we are going to create a database in that we are going to create table courses for our practice. Name varchar 50 is number. So our first table is created. So let's create our second table which is student table. Create, sorry, student SID number primary key is name varchar 50 age number city varchar 2 number and CID number. So we are going to create a so this is how can we edit our query. After CID, we will create our CID as a primary as a foreign key in our table. student which is from table courses. So see how to create it. Constraint fk student course foreign key cid references courses cid. Let's save it and close this. Yes, table is created. Create next table which is teacher. Create table teacher tid primary key name var 50 city. I think no need to create city. Yeah, but again we have created foreign key. So I have one I have one table with teachers, so I create this table with teachers. Okay, so these three tables are created. So let's see the structure, the schema of this table. For this, we use disk keyword, disk versus. So see, here we using this disk, we see the structure of our table. So for another table, disk student. Mm, yes, disk teachers. So the schema of all this table here we see. So insert into these tables what query we will insert using first syntax. So what first syntax tells, insert into table name column 1 column 2 column 3 values. Okay, so let's do this. Insert into courses column name 1 cid cname, fields, and values. For CID, we can take value 101. CName, we will take, let's see, CName is for SQL and fees are, let's take 500. Okay. So, sorry, where we have to use single quotes only. Pointer is created. So let's see. Select star from courses. So see, here we have inserted our data. The same data we can insert using our second syntax, which is insert into courses values, and we can directly add values like Java and fees are 800. So see, again we'll execute that query. See, two records are inserted. So like this, we can insert using these two syntax. Next, we will insert into, let's insert into student. Okay. So insert into student, and what are column names? SID, SNAME, age, SID, SNAME, age, city, marks, CID, city, marks, CID into SID. We will give 1001. SNAME we can take home. Pandey. Okay. Pandey. His age will be, he's student, so 20. City is Mumbai. Marks 45. We got, and course ID. Let's take 101. He got 42 in SQL. So insert this. Oh, sorry. Mistake. Insert into values. So see, we have inserted this record, but what if I want to insert only particular record and I don't want to insert any this record from this table? For that, let's see how we will do. I only want to insert student ID, student name, and his marks. So let's do it. Insert into student. Mhm. I want to insert SID, S name, his marks. Mm, see, I only want to insert this much. Insert into student values. SID will be 011. His name is Pooja Sharma. Her name is Pooja Sharma. And marks she got is 70. So insert. And maybe again run this query. So see. And in CID and age there is a null values. So this is how can we insert. If I want to insert into all the tables, so what I can do, insert, um, let's do multiple insertion now. We will insert for our teachers table, okay? EID, TNAME, CID. Teachers. Insert into teachers. TID, TNAME, and CID. Insert into teachers values. Hmm. So this is how can we insert one values. But if we want to insert multiple values in Oracle, there is a another syntax which is insert all. Then we use into teachers. values. So 802 mm, Palimam and CID is 105. Okay. Again, we will do the same into teachers and we will give column name 803. So we have inserted two records and then in Oracle we use this select star from dual. Okay. So see um, we have created this as a primary key and it is not find. So what we can do, we use only 101 course ID everywhere. From just we got these records. Selects star from student. We got these records. Selects star from courses. Sorry, it is course only. So this is how you can perform insert into. We have to syntax given, we can insert into particular rows, we can insert into all rows, we can do multiple insertion also. So do this exercise. What is the purpose of SQL insert into statement? To add new records into a table. Drag and drop the correct syntax to insert data into customer table for specific column. So insert into customer column and values. So customer, insert a new record in customers table. So insert into customers values, open curly bracket, close bracket. Next question. How can you insert multiple rows with a single insert into statement in SQL? We have to insert multiple rows into Insert into statement in SQL. Insert into table name values value 1, value 2, value 3. Insert into table values rows. Insert into table rows. Insert into table value 1, value 2, value 3. So answer of this is see, this syntax is work in SQL only, but this syntax we have seen like insert all star from dual. This is work in Oracle. So remember that one thing. Sorry. Insert into table name values. So we have completed this exercise. So guys, it's completed. In next video, we will see null values. I hope you understand this concept. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.